But one thing I wanted to show you was how you switch your collars. Which every once in a while, I'll do like a little splot of a different color of the white. I'm not doing a whole lot in this one, but and the PDF doesn't give you specific spots to change the color. You just change the color wherever you want during the project. Basically, what we're doing here is we'll start this one about halfway down. So I'm going to knit my row down a bit. Dexter, would you get out of the way? Okay, this will be down far enough. Alright, now we're wanting to start our new yarn. So what I do is I take the new yarn and I run it with the old yarn for just a couple pegs. Take the bottom over the top. And now that new yarn is hooked in, and I can go with it. Which I'll show you the collar change as well. And all I do is I will increase a little bit here, decrease a little bit there. Just get these random shapes. And I found stripes, unless you're going to stripe the whole thing, stripes look kind of out of place. Okay, so I'm going to increase it some. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure, I can go over as far as I want with the white now, but I want this black to be locked in, so I pull the black up and run the white behind it. Alright, let's do one more. You just make sure that the black is hooked down by the white. And that'll be good enough for that one. And then when you're ready to, start back with the black string. And you just work the rest of your row. And when you're done with the collar, you just cut the string. Cut the string like that long so you have enough to weave in. That's all there really is to adding the different collar to it.